Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable rate limiting on Nginx on an AWS VPS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To disable rate limiting on Nginx running on your AWS VPS, start by accessing your server via SSH. Use your terminal or command prompt and enter the SSH command followed by your user and server IP address. Once logged in, navigate to the Nginx configuration directory. Typically, this is found at /etc/Nginx/. Use the command cd/etc/Nginx/ to change into that directory. Next, locate the Nginx configuration file, commonly called nginx.conf. You can open this file with a text editor of your choice, such as Nano or Vim. For example, you can type sudo nano nginx.conf to open it in the Nano editor. Look for the section that includes the rate limiting configuration. It usually appears within the server block or in the HTTP block. Rate limiting directives typically look like limit_req_zone or limit_req. To disable rate limiting, you can either comment out those lines or remove them entirely. If you choose to comment them out, place a hashtag at the beginning of each line. After making your changes, save the file and exit the editor. If you use Nano, press Ctrl+X, then Y to confirm and enter to save. Next, check the Nginx configuration for any syntax errors. Run the command sudo nginxt. If there are no errors, restart Nginx to apply the changes. Use the command sudo system to restart Nginx. After restarting, your rate limiting should be disabled. You can double-check by testing your server to ensure it is responding as intended. That concludes the steps to disable rate limiting on Nginx on your AWS VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.